guys, I've decided to print a battery holder. I shall leave a link of Thingiverse. It's quite good, I think. There's a couple of links, a couple of people have done the design of it. I'm not sure how to put the end bits in, to be honest with you. So when this is printed, we'll have a look at that. I'm making it for this project here because I keep using this one and I don't want to do that anymore. I want to make something separate for this one. This is really works good anyway. So just finished now, guys. Ooh, it's still hot. That was easy. Looking good. Look at that. Let's try it. Oops. Maybe we should make a... Oh no! Oh no, the end bit broke off here. I think something broke off. Yeah, that bit broke off. That bit broke off. Oh, that's sad. But it's still holding good. It's still holding good, look. Still holding good. It'll do. What I have to do, I think, is put it in carefully inside. But I just got to figure out how to do the ends. I like it. So guys, I've designed a little bit something like a spacer to lift up the coil, and this is the one I printed already, but it's not 100% correct, so I redesigned it, and these are a little bit bigger. Let's hope they work. What I want to say about this battery holder is the gentleman who designed it, I didn't realize that, he had it that little bit protruding, and what he did, he put this through and just soldered a lump like that so it can hold on the battery, which is very good indeed. I do like that design, but I just wrapped the wire around and I connected it. I just tried to solder it, but it won't solder, but that should work. Originally, I didn't know it was protruding out here, so I got this ready to put that down there like that and just solder that on there. But I think it should work. I'm going to try it now. I left this wire long because in case I want to put a little switch there, stop me from keep getting the battery in and out. As I told you before, that part was broken. I broke it earlier, but still works really good. Okay, here we go. So I can see it's a bit loose on the ends there. I might have to try and make it a bit more better, but it does work. It's working nicely. Lift it up, it goes down, put it down, goes higher, move it around, whichever way you want. I'm pleased with that. This holder doesn't 100% work for me, but I'm sure I can mess about and make it work. But that's it. This is the project. The reason I had this lifting up, because I found that these wires were not really making contact here, so the LED wasn't lighting up as bright. Therefore, I designed these things and put them in. I designed one earlier, which was too small for it. But hey, it's a bit of fun. I just thought I'd have a bit of fun with this. And the battery holder, I'm really pleased with the battery holder, because I always have problems trying to find battery holders, etc. So I've been using this one all the time. Now I can put this away and leave this on. I'll put a switcher there, or I might just cut the wire and just connect it when I need it. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up. And I hope you enjoyed this project, because I did. And I hope you even try to make something like this. Take care, bye.